Hello friends, this is Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Sanghania book. Heading is Architecture in Harappan Civilization. The architecture in Harappan civilization, the remains of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro reveal a remarkable sense of town planning. The towns were laid out in a rectangular grid pattern. The roads run in north, south and east-west direction and cut each other at right angles. Mainly three types of buildings have been found in the excavation sites: dwelling houses, public buildings, and public baths. The Harappans used burnt mud bricks of standardized standardized dimension for the purpose of construction. Many layers of the well-baked brick were laid out and then joined together using gypsum mortar. The city was divided into two parts: an upraised citadel and the lower part of the city. An upraised citadel in the western part was used for the constructing buildings of large dimension such as granaries, administrative buildings, pillared halls and courtyard. Some of the buildings in the citadel might have been the residence of the rulers and aristocrats. However, Indus Valley civilizations sites do not have large monumental structures such as temples or palaces for rulers, unlike Egyptians and the Mesopotamia civilization. The granaries were intelligently designed with strategic air ducts and raised platform which helped in storage of grains and protecting them from pest. This is a diagram of citadel and lower city. Citadel, this is citadel and this is lower city. An important feature of the Harappan city is the prevalence. Prevalence means quality of being all over or public baths, which indicate the importance of ritualistic cleansing in their culture. These baths also had an array of galleries and rooms surrounding it. The most famous example of a public bath is the Great Bath in the excavated remains of Mohenjo-daro. This figure 1.2, the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. In the lower part of the city, small one-roomed houses have been found which might have been used as quarters by the working class people. Some of the houses have stairs which indicate they might have been double-storied. Mostly buildings have private wells and properly ventilated bathrooms. The most striking feature of Harappan civilization is advanced drainage system. Small drains run from each house and were connected to larger drains running alongside the main roads. The drains were covered loosely to allow regular cleaning and maintenance. Cesspits were placed at regular intervals. The importance placed on hygiene, both personal and public, is quite impressive. Presence of wells has also been observed at many sites. Many scholars argue that the Mesopotamia people of the Tigris Euphrates Valley called Indus Valley civilization as Meluha. Many Indus Valley seals have been found in Mesopotamia. Sculptures of Harappan civilization. The Harappan sculptures were extremely adept at handling three-dimensional volumes. The most commonly found were seals, bronze figures, and potteries. Seals. Archaeologists have found numerous of different shapes and sizes all across the excavation sites. While most of the seals are square, it was found that rectangular and circular seals were also being used. Steatite, a soft stone found in the river beds, was although the most common material used to make seals, yet agate, chert, copper, faience, and terracotta. Faience means a fancy pot, and terracotta seals have also been found. Some instances of gold and ivory seals have also been found. Most of the seals have inscription in pictographic script which is yet to be deciphered. The script was written mostly from right to left, but directional writing style, that means right to left on one line and left to right on other line has also been found. Animal impressions were also there, generally 5, which were carved intaglio. Intaglio is printing process using plates on the surfaces. The common animal motifs, motif is a repeated pattern, were unicorn, a imaginary animal, humped bull, rhinoceros, tiger, elephant, buffalo, bison, goat, markhor, a type of mountain animal, ibex, crocodile, etc. However, no evidence of cow has been found on any seal. Generally, the seals had an animal or human figure on one side and inscription on the opposite sides, or inscription on both the sides. Some seals had inscription on a third side as well. Seals were primarily used for commercial purposes and helped in communication. Discovery of various seals in Mesopotamia and various sites such as Lothal indicate that seals were extensively used for trade. Some seals with a hole on them have been found on dead bodies, indicating it's used as amulets. Amulets means object worn as a protection, carried on the persons of their owners, probably seen as some form of identifications. Mathematical images have also been found of some seals, which might have been used for educational purposes as well. Seals with symbols similar to swastika design have also been found. Famous seals include Pashupati seal and unicorn seal. Now, Pashupati seal, a steatite means a natural substance discovered at Mohenjo-daro, depicts to show in a picture a